Here's my wax melting setup. I went to Goodwill and purchased about $8 to $10 worth of pots and a lid, and this is my double boiler for melting my wax. I put water in the bottom pan and wax and honey in the top pan. After it's all melted down, I let it solidify and remove the cap. After the wax cap is removed, I pour the remaining honey through this two-part strainer. After this extraction, I was left over with about a gallon of deep, dark, delicious South Florida honey. Now these wax cappings are a little dirty and they have a little bit of stickiness to the bottom because of the honey that they were just sitting on top of. So I'll rinse it off and then I'll melt it again. Once everything's melted down, I'll pour the liquid into these Bob Evans mashed potato trays. And the reason I use those is because they're microwave friendly, so they can take the heat. They don't shrivel up when they come in contact with the hot wax. I set these aside for an hour or two to let them solidify. Once solidified, they basically pop right out of the mold. After my most recent extraction from Brazilian pepper, I was left with about 1.25 pounds of cappings and about 10 pounds of honey. I've been collecting wax from my last few extractions and I'm up to about 3 pounds now. I don't yet have anything to do with it, but I'm sure I'll find something someday. Something I've noticed over the years is the wax color is different depending upon where I've collected my honey. From left to right, you'll notice light to dark. The light wax on the left was collected by my bees in the orange groves of Central Florida. The one in the middle was up in the panhandles in the swamps of Weewahichka. And the one on the right was my recent collection of Brazilian pepper in southeast Florida. But it's very interesting to me how the color of the wax changes dependent upon the location of the hives. If you have any thoughts on this, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.